Hello students, welcome to the next video of science. Today we are going to study lesson 3, that is teeth talk. Okay student, this you all know that we eat food daily and we need food to survive. The three basic needs we need to survive are air, water and food. Food is the most important part of our life. Without food we cannot survive. But you have a thing that what is the role of our teeth in whatever food we eat? What role our teeth play? Why teeth are important for us? We eat food daily and we have 3 times a day we take in food. But what's the role played by our teeth? We eat food with the help of our teeth. Teeth are very important part of our life. Why? Because teeth, they help us to chew our food. Okay student, this is the number one thing. They helps us to chew our food. We have already studied in our chapter food and digestion that before going to the stomach, food is broken down into small pieces with the help of teeth. Okay, what our teeth do? We just chew our food with the help of teeth, and teeth helps us to grind the food, and that grinded food passes through esophagus and then reaches the stomach. Okay student, so the digestion of food starts in our mouth. Okay, the process of digestion starts in our mouth, and so the teeth plays a very important role in our digestion. Why teeth are important for us? Because teeth helps us to chew our food. They helps us to grind. We have different kinds of teeth, or we will study later on. And these teeth help us to chew the food, grind it, and that grinded food, then after grinding, that food passes into the stomach with the help of esophagus. Okay student. And second thing is, teeth helps us to talk. Have you ever seen that a small kid of 2 years cannot speak properly? Why? Why the child of 2 years cannot speak properly? Because the teeth are not developed in mouth of that child. Because up to the age of 2 years, the teeth are not developed in the child. So the child cannot pronounce the word properly. Okay. Whatever the child speaks, we can't understand what the child is saying. Okay. Okay, student. And you have seen small babies up to the 6 months. What they eat? They can't eat anything. Why? Small babies up to the age of 6 months, they can't eat anything. They drink only milk. Why only milk is given to them? Why they can't eat? Because they don't have teeth. Okay, so teeth are important for us as they help us to chew our food, to grind our food. Okay, and at the as the small child reaches the age of 1 year, जब एक छोटा बच्चा 1 साल का हो जाता है, थोड़े से teeth आ जाते हैं उसके, है ना, 2 or 4 teeth develops, then the child start eating biscuits, rusks, chocolates. Okay student, so teeth are the very important part of our life as they help us in biting the things, chewing the things, grinding the things. Okay, and before going to the stomach, the food is changed into smaller pieces, or it is grind. It undergoes grinding process in our mouth only. Okay, and that chewed food goes into the stomach through esophagus. Okay student, and first one is why teeth are important for us. Why teeth are important for us? Teeth are important for us because they help to chew and grind our food. And second is, they also helps us to speak properly, or they also helps us to talk. Okay, you might have observed the small kids. अगर आपके घर में है या पड़ोस में आपने देखा होगा, small kids cannot pronounce their words properly. Why? Why they cannot pronounce the words properly? Because their teeth are not developed. Okay, and after the age of 3, when they have mostly teeth are developed in their mouth, or mostly teeth are there in the mouth, then the child can speak. Then the child can pronounce the word properly, and then the child are able to speak a sentence properly. Okay, so the teeth helps us to talk. Second thing is teeth helps us to talk. And the third thing is teeth also make our face look. Have you ever observed, आपने देखा होगा कि जब ओल्ड एज में पहुंच जाते हैं, अब 70 प्लस और 80 प्लस, सो द पीपल हैव लॉस्ट देयर टीथ, है ना. 70 प्लस और 80 प्लस में पहुंचकर क्या होता है, उनके दांत जो है सारे टूट जाते हैं, है ना. देन द फेस हाउ इट लुक्स, है ना, पिचका वैसा हो जाता है, बिल्कुल ऐसे पिचका वैसा बिल्कुल मुंह हो जाता है ना. चाहे वो लोग कितने भी हेल्दी हो, कैसे भी हो, मुंह उनका बिल्कुल पिचक जाता है ना. क्यों? बिकॉज देयर आर नो टीथ. So teeth also gives our face a good look, or even proper shape to our mouth. Okay, so how the teeth are important for us. Today we have come to know the importance of the teeth. How teeth are important for us, or the teeth play an important role in our life. Okay, first thing is they help us to chew our food, grind our food. Okay, chew our food properly. Second thing is they help us to talk. Okay, they help us to talk. And third thing is they make our face look good. Okay, टीथ की वजह से हमारा जो फेस है, फेस का पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है वो अच्छा दिखता है ना. इन ओल्ड एज अबाउट 80 प्लस द पीपल दे डोंट हैव टीथ एंड देयर फेस इज जस्ट कैसे पिचका वैसा दिखता है ना फेस उनका. सो इट डजंट लुक गुड. Okay student, so today we have studied about how teeth are important for us. Okay, so let's move forward. Babies of human are born without teeth. You all have seen this at your home, or somewhere in your relatives, that small babies don't have teeth. Up to the 6 months they are fed on liquids only. Up to the 6 months they are given only milk. Okay, but when their first tooth begins to appear, they start eating biscuits, rusk, chocolates. Okay, and by the age of 3, the child has 20 teeth. Okay, by the age of 3, the child has 20 teeth, and these are called as primary teeth. These are called as primary or the temporary teeth. Okay, a child of 3 years has 20 teeth in their mouth, and these are known as temporary or the primary teeth. Why they are known as temporary teeth? Because they stay for only few years. After the age of 6 or 7 they shut down. आप सबने घर में सुना होगा कि 6-7 आपके भी टूटेंगे. 6-7 ईयर्स की एज में पहुंचकर ये जो पुराने दांत होते हैं हमारे टेम्पररी, जिनको हम कह रहे हैं टेम्पररी, दे जस्ट fall down or broke down, टूट जाते हैं. So they are the temporary teeth, means they are with us for only few years, 3 to 6 years or 7 years. Okay, after that they shut down, so they are known as temporary teeth. Why the teeth are known as temporary teeth? Because they are with us for only few years, 3-4 years. Okay, after that they shut down. Okay, when a child gets to the age of 5 or 6, these teeth start falling one by one. Okay student, these temporary or primary teeth start falling at the age of 6 or 7, and they are all replaced by permanent teeth. As the child reaches the age of 13-14, then all the temporary teeth are shed, and new teeth or the permanent teeth comes there. Okay. The primary teeth are replaced by another set of teeth called permanent teeth. Okay, when a child reaches at the age of 13-14, what happens to the temporary teeth? They just shut down or start falling. Okay, and at the age of 14, the children lost their baby teeth and have a full set of permanent teeth. Okay, slowly the permanent teeth grow and take the place of primary teeth. Okay, up to the age of 7 or 8, the primary teeth start falling. Okay, and when a child reaches at the age of 14 years, all the temporary teeth fall down and the permanent teeth, they take their place. And why these teeth are known as permanent? Because they stay with us for we can say throughout our life. Okay, क्योंकि उनके बाद तो अगर परमानेंट टीथ टूट जाएंगे तो उसके बाद तो हमें नकली दांतों पे रहना पड़ेगा, है ना. ओके, सो देयर आर 28 परमानेंट टीथ इन द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 18 to 20. जब एक चाइल्ड 18 to 20 एज के में पहुंचता है तो उसके कितने टीथ होते हैं? टोटल 28. ओके, एंड wisdom tooth, 4 more teeth called wisdom tooth also grow at the back of the mouth, and they complete the adult set of 32 teeth. Okay, up to the age of 18 and 20, when the child reaches at the age of when a child reaches at the age of 18 to 20, there are 28 teeth in the mouth. Okay, and after that 4 wisdom teeth also appears in the mouth at the back side. आप सबने सुना होगा घर में कहते हैं अक्ल दाढ़ आ गई, अब से अक्ल आ गई, मीन्स एंड दे कम एट वेरी मीन्स वी कैन से बहुत बड़ी एज में आते हैं, 30+, 40+, 50+ में भी आ सकते हैं वो विजडम टीथ. ओके, सो द विजडम टीथ अपीयर्स एट अ very late age, or we can say 30+, 40+. Okay, and these are 4 in numbers, so a set of 32 teeth is there. Okay, जो 40+ होंगे उनके पास कितने टीथ होंगे? 32. Okay, a set of 32 teeth. Okay student, so now we will study the structure of arrangement of teeth in our mouth. Okay, as I have also discussed in your class, I have discussed in class also. This you can see, this is a picture of this is our lower jaw and this is our upper jaw. Okay student, I have already discussed it in the class. Okay, so this is our lower jaw. You can see clearly the picture. Here we have 4 incisors. Here we have 4 incisors. 4 incisors are there in the lower jaw and 4 incisors at the upper jaw. So we have total 8 incisors. Okay, and beside this incisor we have canine. Here 1 canine, here 1 canine. Means 2 canine at lower jaw and 2 canine at upper jaw. Okay, we have 2 canine at lower jaw and 2 canine at upper jaw. These incisors which you can see in the front, incisors they help in cutting and chopping of the food. These incisors, these front teeth, or which are known as incisors, it help in cutting or chopping of the food. Okay, जैसे हम सब्जी को, प्याज को बड़ी बड़ी काटते हैं ना, चॉप करते हैं, ऐसे ही ये हमारे को फूड को चॉपिंग करने में हेल्प करते हैं. This incisor says, and the canine you can see here, they help to tear the food. Okay, these canines are the sharp teeth, and they help to tear. They helps us to tear the food. Okay student, so we have 4 incisor on the lower jaw and 4 incisor on the upper jaw. Okay, and we have 2 canine on the lower jaw and 2 canine on the upper jaw. Okay student, now after the canine there are premolars. You can see in the picture, these are premolars. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर premolars लिखा है. There are 2 premolars here and 2 premolars here. Means 4 premolar on the lower jaw, 4 premolars on the lower jaw and 4 premolar on the upper jaw. Okay student, and these premolars, what is the work of these premolars? These premolars are bigger in size and they are stronger. Okay, and they help in crushing and grinding the food. मिक्सी में जैसे हम ग्राइंड कर देते हैं ना, whenever we make a good dish, we just grind the प्याज टमाटर सब मिक्सी में ग्राइंड कर देते हैं और पेस्ट बना देते हैं ना. So ये premolars, what is the work of premolars? They helps us in grinding the food. Okay, what is the work of these premolars? These premolars help us to grind the food. बिल्कुल बारीक पेस्ट बिल्कुल बन जाता है इनका. ठीक है, जैसे आपने घर में देखा होगा मिक्सी चलती है ना, प्याज टमाटर को एकदम बारीक पेस्ट बना देती है, बिल्कुल वैसी है. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं, चपाती, बिस्किट, रस, व्हाटएवर वी ईट, उसको बिल्कुल ग्राइंड करके बिल्कुल वैसे पेस्ट बना देते हैं. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी हैव मोलर्स. ओके, 2 molars on the right hand side, 2 on the left hand side. Means 4 molars. 4 molars on the lower jaw and 4 molars on the upper jaw. Okay, student. And these molars also have the same work. Okay. They also helps in grinding the food. Okay. Now the wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth is at the back. It comes at very late age. ये wisdom tooth है, ये बड़ी एज में आता है. Okay. 30+, 40+ और 50+. इसको अक्ल दाढ़, हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं अक्ल दाढ़. कहते हैं, सब मजाक में कहते हैं कि चलो अब अक्ल दाढ़ आ गई, अब अक्ल आ गई है. Wisdom tooth. We have 2 wisdom tooth on lower jaw and 2 wisdom tooth on the upper jaw. So total 4 wisdom tooth. Okay. Now I will explain you the arrangement on the blackboard. Okay. There are 4 incisors on the lower jaw. Okay. We have what? 4 incisor on the lower jaw. On the lower jaw. Lower jaw. Okay. And 4 incisors on the upper jaw. Okay, student. Once you will learn it, you will not forget forever. Okay, 4 incisors on the upper jaw. Upper jaw. Okay, student. And we have 2 canines. 2 canines. 2 canines at lower jaw. Lower jaw. And 2 canines. 2 canines at the upper jaw. Okay, students? At upper jaw. Now after it comes premolars. Okay, we have 4 premolars. 4 premolars on the lower jaw. Lower jaw and 4 premolars on the upper jaw. Premolars on the upper jaw. Okay, students? Okay. Now after that we have molars. Then again 4 molars. 4 molars on the upper jaw. And 4 molars on the lower jaw. Okay, student? 4 molars on the lower jaw. Lower jaw. Okay. Now we have 2 wisdom tooth. 2 wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth on the lower jaw. Lower jaw. And 2 wisdom tooth on the upper jaw. On the upper jaw. So you can count the teeth and tell how many teeth do we have. Okay, 4. देखिए 4 incisors. We have 4 incisors on the lower jaw. At the front you can see 4 incisors on the lower jaw and 4 incisors on the upper jaw. These are the front teeth and they help us for cutting and chopping our food. Okay. Now 2 canines at the lower jaw and 2 canines at the upper jaw. These canines are very sharp and they help to tear the food. Okay. And especially you have seen in cats and dogs, these canines are very sharp. Okay. Because they are flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals have very sharp canines. Okay. And now after canines we have 4 premolars on the lower jaw and 4 premolars on the upper jaw. And after premolars we have molars. 4 molars on the upper jaw and 4 molars on the lower jaw. And now there are wisdom teeth. 2 wisdom tooth on the lower jaw and 2 wisdom teeth on the upper jaw. Okay, student. Now we can count and write the number of teeth. Okay, student. How many teeth do we have? 4 plus 4 8, 2 10, plus 2 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, 20 plus 24 plus 4 28, 230 and 232. Total 32 teeth we have. Okay, today we have done the arrangement of teeth in our mouth. Okay student, I hope you have understood it. Okay, and we will discuss, we have already discussed it in our class also. So okay student, thank you. Let's meet in the next video. We'll continue this topic in the next video also. Okay, thank you.